How to get Amazon discount codes. Finding Amazon discount codes can feel tricky, but in 2025 it's easier than ever. Most people get this wrong. They think promo codes are rare or only available to select users, but there are multiple ways to save. Step 1. Check Amazon's own deals page. You won't believe what happens next. Amazon frequently posts coupon codes for specific products, bundles, and daily deals. Clicking Clip Coupon automatically applies the discount at checkout. Step 2. Subscribe to Amazon newsletters and notifications. Exclusive discounts, early deals, and seasonal promotions are often sent directly to email subscribers. Step 3. Use third-party websites and apps that aggregate Amazon coupons. Make sure the sites are reputable, as fake codes are common. Verified deals can save anywhere from 5% to 50% on select items. Step 4. Leverage Amazon credit cards or Prime membership perks. Some cardholders get extra discounts or points that apply like cash toward purchases. Step 5. Time your purchases around events like Prime Day, Black Friday, or holiday sales. Stacking codes, coupons, and event discounts can maximize savings. The surprising truth is that Amazon discount codes aren't hidden, they're just easy to miss. Combining official Amazon coupons with timing and membership perks can significantly reduce your bill without hunting endlessly.